Hi Famzy, what going? How you all doing? How you all doing? How was your night? If you all slept well. So no, today is NFP. Today is NFP, and I want to be trading gold live with you guys. Yeah, I want to be trading gold live. But before we hop on the news, let's have our top-down analysis. Like, let's know where the buyers of gold. Yeah, let's know the buyers of gold. Now we'll see. Gold has been on a massive bullish run. Gold have been massively going bullish. You all can see that. So, but now I'm using this strategy called the F and R. Why did I say R? Sorry, the F and R zone. Yeah, that's the name. Let me just lock up. So I'm using the F and R zone. Now, this F and R zone help us to know buyers. Like, it's a very key technical strategy. Yeah, this guy helps us to dictate, to tell where price is likely going to fall on next. You understand? Most especially with gold. That's the strategy I used to trade gold. It's just telling us the likely place gold is going to do. Don't mind all this writing on my screen. I already did analysis, but I will be explaining to you guys based off this analysis. Alright. So um if you can look closely, okay, let me take you guys to, let's do analysis on another chart. You go UXT. This pair is like every beginner's favorite pair. Alright, let's use FFM. I have analysis everywhere. That's mad. That's mad, man. Now, if you see, I mapped out an high before. That was like, if I were to take trade using normal price action, I would have even gotten a lot of profit. Alright, so let me just go and clear my charts and get ready. I guess that's all. So now when using this FR zone, you pay attention to the current stage of this market. You pay attention to the current flow of the market. Like, you don't have to go back to the past. You just need what's happening in the current view. So we'll just be working with this guy. Just this encoded place in the box. Trust me, this is going to be very educating. Now, if you're an SMC trader, you know how to map out all these higher highs, higher lows. Or if, even though you're a price action trader, you should know all those stuff. You know your highs, you know your lows, you know the recent low, you know how you guys say it. So we're going to just be doing so. Now, the lowest point in this place, you guys will agree with me that it's this point. So I'm not going to be doing much of this because this is more of like an intermediate class to pro, intermediate pro class, not beginners, not necessarily beginners. Alright, so okay, so I'm just going to map it out this weekly. So I guess you all know what F and R zones are now. Yeah, you guys should know what F and R zones are. The full meaning is frequency and recency. So the frequency, the recency, you understand? That's what F and R zones are. So get the name, as the name implies, the frequency, the rate, you understand? Then recency, current occurrence in the market. Current occurrence in the market. So let's do something. So get the highest high, like, and when plotting F and R zone, take note, you plot it on the body, not the wick. You plot it on the body of the candle. You understand? That's how it's done. Alright, so here's the highest high here. This should have been the highest high market formed. If we were to be trading in this market condition, we should have gotten a lot of pips. You understand? So because if you know how this stuff work, we should have gotten, let me say, 29 pips before market started to retrace. You understand? Before market started to retrace. So we would have, assuming we were trading in this condition, like this particular day, this should have been the highest high market created. Then we would have waited for the low to form, then come and now do some magical work around that place. But since market created a new high, we will be starting from that new high. Yeah, so this will be our new high. Then you just have to label it weekly. So shout out to Samuel TOCHI for this strategy. It's his strategy. I learned it from him actually. So if you need more insight on this strategy, you can feel free to hop on his YouTube channel. Yeah, you have it when he did his series teaching and all that about secret growth strategy. Yeah, that's it. By Samuel TOCHI. Yeah, so a big shout out to him. Alright, so what's the next thing? Now you have to like align this stuff so to be very 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 accurate. You understand? So you don't, now market don't play you away game, then take you out by, you'll be like, this strategy. So anything you are doing, whether be it gold, be it this strategy you're using, be it SMC, be it price action, be it ICT, please always try to do your stuff neatly. So it's not, if market take you, okay, I'm clearly wrong. Not that market will take you out, then later goes in your direction. You'll be like, what did I do wrong? Man, you do not plot or you did not do your technical analysis very very well. That's why. So let me just tell you the bias of gold right now. I'm looking for a sell. Yeah, right from this point market is, I'm opting for a sell. Yeah, from this point market is currently selling at, currently at this exact point. Yes, this point I'm looking for a sell. If you purely know how this stuff works, you should also be looking for a sell. Because why? From weekly, they tells us this weekly. Why do we start from weekly? Normally I do my top down analysis from weekly to the daily to the 4 hours and 1 hour, then 15 minutes, then 5 minutes for my entry. So weekly and daily basically tell us, they like map out long term on how gold is going to run. You understand? On how that particular pair is going to run. I've not tried this F&R zones. I've not done it on other pairs. I just tried it on gold, and the day I learned it, that day I bagged in a lot of money. Yeah, a lot of money. Over, should I say 100 and something pips? Yeah, that's what I bagged up. But not from one trade, different trades. Because why? It was telling me places where possible points markets intend to move. Alright, so we are done here, except you are seeing another point of confluence. For me, I can't see it. It's just these two tops. You understand? Now let's check it out. Market came out like this. Normally we should have had something here, but we're following the current market trade. Okay, bounced off this place, retest. Now I'm expecting this candle to retest back this, then I will not opt in again for another buy, then until it's either it retests. Okay, let me remove this, let me do it again. So bounced, then came here. Now it's either this guy bounce off this same zone, or like he what's the word, he like continuing the pattern, or it breaks this zone, holds off. You understand? If you can break this zone, then hold off, like close below it, then continue downward. Here I'll change my bias for this zone. You understand? The same pattern. I'll change my bias from this to this, then continuously like that. I'll know that okay, gold is really tanking, and this is the next zone I'll be expecting gold to tank to, is this place. But here you have a high, but this high was taken out already. So will I really consider this place as a high? Nah, nah. Well, let me just mark it out. Let me just mark it out because here also was a high. So we just have it. So if markets do not hold, if that point can't hold, I have to consider it here. It's I'm kind of having issues with this. So, but this is the next point I'll be expecting it to drop to. This is the next point. Or here, this low. Yes, this is the low. So we should be expecting gold if it does not move in that kind of pace. You understand? Should be this way we should be expecting gold. Alright, so there's something called adjustment to you can also adjust this guy, then change it to, since to be we made an adjustment, we just have to change it to the daily, then we'll come here also, then adjust to the recent low. Understand? That is it. Always make your work so accurate. Recent low. Alright, you can clearly see now market went straight up, bounced, then retest, also respected that zone test. So I'm expecting a flank sell from gold, you understand, back to this zone, either back to this zone, either you can hold at this zone or breaks it, then close below this zone, then I will know that okay, good, I'm expecting you to come back to this zone. You understand? I'm expecting gold to fall back to this zone. If this zone cannot hold gold, say okay, gold say I'm not going to respect this zone, close below it again, that means I'm expecting gold to that next zone that I drew, this place. So but I'm sure gold should do some good to respect this place, I'm sure. Alright, so are we seeing any confluence point on this place? Not sure. So I guess that's all. Then let's go to the zenith for adjustment here. Yeah, let me see. I'll just change it to daily. But basically I like starting from weekly because of the noise. Yeah, I don't like too much noise. To me, I already know okay, this is what is happening in the forex market here already. Then I don't have to just forget it, so I can just jot it down in my journal. You all should have a trading journal, even though it's just a notebook for now, but have something you use to pen down your trades, you understand, your bias and everything. So we'll come to the 4 hour. Yeah, I love this 4 hour very well. So let me remove this section breaks, very amazing too. Alright, so I'm not going to be doing any adjustments here. I don't do adjustments on 4 hour. I just look for points I feel the market is now to have this confluence. But I don't really do stuff with 4 hour. I just look at it, then know the movement of the market. Okay, are you going to really play out or not? You understand? I don't draw zones in between. Like, don't worry, I'll get to explain that stuff later. I will get to explain it. Yeah, I will. I should. Yeah, I should. So let's go to the 1 hour. Yes, this baby. Now look at how good this really selling. Look how good it's selling. Just a single candle, and it's giving 23 pips. Wow, just a single candle. Now from this 4 hour you can see something, like it's very clear. Yeah, you can see something. Now we don't really bother, like I'm not going to really bother about the high, but I'm going to check out this low. Yeah, you have this low. So if you really understand this stuff, you know how to plot your F1R, you know confluence it. So you have I typed F1R there. Alright, so now we already have a break. Now let me tell you guys something. You can use 1 hour for entry. Yes, it's not bad, but for clearer confirmation. 1 hour and 4 hour, they are used to map out zones we pay attention to on daily basis. I'm just using to map out zones that you need to pay attention to on a daily basis. You understand? That is why I'm here mapping out all this, because these are zones we have to pay attention to. Oh, come in, I'm having technical issues. Wow, this is serious. About that, I'm having technical issues. Alright, so let's have it. So here is another confluence point that you can see. I've seen one already. This is a very good one. You can see what happened. Oh, I'll show you guys why that was a good one. Now if we were to extend this guy, if you were to extend him to this place, you will see this point also is more like a confluence point also. You understand? It's just, if you watch it closely, it could not. Now rule of trading F1 out zone, if market did not close above or below that zone with a full body candle, then you are not supposed to hop in on that trade. You understand? It's an invalid trade. The market cannot. Now if I was to hop in on this trade on a 1 hour, now I was hopping on this guy here, what I'll do is that I'll wait for this guy to close above it, then still wait for another candle to close before I will see my entry. That's why I go to 5 minutes. Yes, that's why I go to 5, because waiting for all those things, it's pips that is going. You understand? And you cannot expect a 1 hour this thing candlestick to, now do too much. The day will run off. So that's why we go to the lower time frame for entries. You understand? So now we're done on 1 hour now. So if this point cannot hold, this zone especially cannot hold this market, we are expecting gold to fall to this place. You understand? Probably in other smaller time frame, we might see other confluence zone. Let's go to 15 minutes. So this is 15 minutes and 5 minutes. These are where we look for confirmations. You understand? So now I've seen this. You see, I should be opening on gold now to sell. I would have opted in here, but I had to just do video for you all. So a free signal, sell gold. The target, this next place. Let's rush and execute that. I'm currently on a sell on GBPSD, and you can see mad profit. Alright, so let's go to gold. XUSD, and you sell. Nice one. So money must be made, man. Today is a very good one. Alright, so let's have it. So I'll be deleting this for now. Alright, so we should be expecting good. And let me tell you something, as you sold from here, you put your stop loss on the week of the previous candle, but now you know the rules. You give it some breathing space. So my stop loss is I like putting stop loss in my trade. Take profit can wait. 23.59. See, quick profit. No play. No play, man. Alright, so 23.59.73. yeah, so if I'm losing on this trade, I should be losing 500. Yeah, 500. That's a lot of money. But we pray profit. Alright, so I should be deleting this. Now let's go to the 5 minutes. For now, I entered late. That's why you see my stop loss is really high. Yeah, because of what? Late entry. Now, as me as I was to be trading this on a If I were to be trading on a 15 minutes time frame, like I got this on a 15 minutes time frame. Now watch, we are still using the 4 hour 1 hour zone as confidence points. Okay, we're still using that zone. Now what if we cut this thing on a 5 minutes? You understand? Let's say we cut it on 5 minutes. Look at this. Remember the market recent point. You understand? You trade based on the recent point. Now you've seen a low here, a recent low market created, right? You've seen a recent low market created. So all you just have to do is just come here, then input it. Take note of this zone. 5 minutes. This is the zone. This one is for your entry and confirmation. Now immediately market broke this stuff, it came down here, closed above it. You understand? But if I was to entering this trade, this is crazy, man. So this was how it was going to be. I would have entered from here because it has already closed above it. Then I would have entered from here, then set my this is where I should have entered from. Oh sorry, this was a buy. I would have entered from here, then set my stop loss right above here. So that's crazy, man. That's really crazy. So I would have just waited actually, because I can't afford to risk that much pips, because me, I like catching my own sniper sharp. So I would have waited for market to come to this zone actually, because I missed that point. Me, I don't like to be skeptical, you understand? So I would have waited for market. Either market is going to what, bounce off this zone, or I just wait for it to close below it. Now this was how I would have gotten my entry. This candlestick, most especially, this particular candlestick, these two, I would have gotten my entry immediately. This guy closed above it. This bearish engulfing closed below the market. Now what I would have done is that I would have waited for the next candle to open, then right here, then put my order, then put the stop loss above it a little bit. So this is 8. I'm risking 8 pips to make to the next zone. That's like 34 pips. Nice one. And trust me, this thing is going to play out. Trust me, it's going to play out. Leave those weak rejections and others. It will play out. There's no how it's going to take out that former high, but if it does, then you know that every day is not Christmas. Yeah, that's all. But we don't pray for loss. Yeah, actually, we don't pray for loss. So this is it. Is there any other complex points we should be expecting markets? Yes, I've seen one. So that's why you have to just look to and fro what can affect my trade from going to hit TP. That's another stuff I should talk about on another day video. Why am I always writing all these stuff that I'm saying in minutes? So so let me say we should be expecting goods. Now it's the market. Imagine you are risking, this is not properly 1:2, but if that point cannot hold, you all know the next point now. So but the major point is this 1 hour, that 1 hour zone. That's what I'm anticipating. So thank you all for joining me on today's live analysis section. So you go to do yourself a favor. If market can play out real quick, sorry about that. If market can play out real quick before 1 o'clock, then we should be. If market can come to either of these zones before 1 o'clock, then we should know how we should trade the NFP news. Yeah, we should know how we should trade the NFP. So we are bargaining money today, guys. And again, I don't like watching my trades on 5 minutes. No, the noise is too much. So I prefer it 15 minutes. Then I'll get to see what's happening. You understand? Now you can see it's almost hit TP. It's almost hit TP there. So hopefully, guys, money must be made. Alright, so if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, hit the notification button so you get alerted anytime we drop a new video. You guys, I need to, let me not necessarily I need to, we all need to grow, you understand? So with the wisdom and your implementation, we should make a better team. Thank you guys. Well done. See you all in the next video. Stay safe.